It's Pravalika.
And then actually with the baby
Diaper.
To scream badly.
Feeding दे रही है ना?
Exactly.
इतना भूख लगता है ना, इतना husband support కావాలి ఖచ్చితంగా
But
husband.
I understood her inner thing.
Hello everyone, welcome to KEV channel once again. So I have come with a new episode with new mama and we will be talking a lot today. So आज की जो guest है guys, today she is very special to me because जब मैं society पे आई थी तब I just got connected to her instantly. उसकी बच्ची खेल रही थी. I was taking Alana for a walk and then we just smiled each other and we just connected instantly. And whenever we meet, जब भी हम लोग मिलते हैं, we always talk about a baby giggles, a baby food, everything. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk again depth. So without delaying, आज मैं बुलाना चाहती हूँ a mother, a beautiful mother, Kushvika की mom जो मैं बुलाती हूँ, and she is from Andhra. Her name is Purvika, a Kushvika mom. आप लोग ने तो मेरे वीडियो में छोटे छोटे क्लिप्स में देखा होगा. Kushvika will be talking about. Alright guys, so let's welcome Purvika from Andhra.
Hey, hi Manita.
Hi Purvika, how are you?
I'm fine, thank
Okay,
you.
first of all, how is your health?
It's okay.
It's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, everything is
Because
fine.
जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि generally people when they meet you, right?
Yeah.
First thing they'll ask about baby.
Yes.
They'll ask about beautiful hairstyle,
Yeah.
but they will never ask about the mom's
True,
health, right?
true. How messy mom will be.
Exactly.
How how she will take care of her child
Yeah.
and her inside how she'll be messy. Like
Correct.
किसी को भी पता नहीं like कैसा होता है mom अंदर. Like बाहर तो दिखता है like तो अंदर mom का health कैसा होता है. First time आप like पूछा है मुझे.
Yes,
Thank you.
because I remember कोई भी नहीं पूछता है वो जब भी बाहर जाते beautiful baby, beautiful
Yes.
days from where you have purchased, but
Yeah.
कोई भी नहीं पूछता how is your health, right?
Yes.
So you are fine totally, right? So even alhamdulillah, even I am fine in that case.
And by the way, Kushvika आपको हम दोनों कैसे मिले आपको बताना है दर्शकों के लिए.
Actually, once Kushvika was playing in the garden, and suddenly we met two couple carrying a 3 months baby.
3 months old, yeah.
Yeah, she was just 3 months old, and she was so tiny. And Kushvika was around 9 months.
9 months.
9 months ending, and Kushvika was crawling, and
yeah.
I was feeding her food back of her. And I met these beautiful couples, and we gelled. From then we became friends.
Yeah, and instantly it happened. We
Yeah.
connected. And then whenever we meet, हम लोग जब भी बाहर मिलते हैं, we always talk about the
babies only.
girls, baby food, baby
All these
yes,
things.
baby wo, everything. It's all about baby, 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 baby.
Although she is a new mom, I take mostly suggestions from her.
Something like that. We share. I think she actually taught me today. I asked her like, मुझे मेरी curd देती हूँ, but doctor has told me not to give this curd. But doctor told me if you can make a curd, homemade curd. But I don't have time and I don't know how to do it. So she like, do this, बोला. And I was like, today मैं बनाऊंगी. I told her, I'm like, okay, मैं बनाऊंगी उसको make homemade curd. So thank you so much for that. So when you meet friends or when you meet a new mom, आप लोग को कुछ चीजें share होती हैं, and I think that is very very useful, right?
It is actually useful, you know.
Yeah.
Like people will be there.
Useful, helpful.
Yeah. People will be there. Arey, why we should share this? No, that is not completely right with the moms. Yeah, you have to
That's
give
not
suggestions
good,
to moms, and we have to accept the suggestions also. Actually,
I think everybody, अगर आपके पास कुछ अच्छा चीज लगे है, you give a suggestion. Why don't you try this?
yeah,
And
true.
again you give, like okay, ये try करो अगर आपका नहीं हो रहा है तो ये try करो ये करो.
हाँ.
I think that is like you kind of you both moms are like one team,
True.
right?
True.
You want to grow that tiny
Alright, Kushvika, is that your bag? Is it a
Yes.
diaper bag?
Is this?
Alright guys, so since हमारे दोनों बच्चे सो गए हैं तो हम had carried her diaper bag like wherever she mama के
Yes.
सब जगह कहीं पे भी जाओ
हाँ,
हम
वो तो
लोग
होता है.
हम लोग कहीं पे भी जाते बैग तो हम लोग को कैरी
लेके जाना ही पड़ेगा.
So Purvika, if you don't mind, can
Yeah,
we
I
look
can.
into your bag?
Sure.
क्या क्या है आप दर्शक को बता सकते हो?
Sure. And this, it is not like exactly everybody carries.
That's okay,
And this
yeah.
is just like option I carry, like whatever she likes and whatever she want to. This is my phone, and this is her go-to toy.
Wow,
like
it's
when,
Okay, nice.
and this is the bag wherever I go, like everywhere. Like चलो अभी हम नेटिव जा रहे हैं, चलो ये बैग पिक करके चले
Yeah.
जाता है. ऐसे नहीं है
Handy.
कि- हाँ, हैंडी बैग ऐसा होता है. लाइक कर्चीफ, एक बिब,
This
or
is must.
bib is always.
Must, yeah.
Though she don't wear it, I have to
Yeah,
carry.
you have to carry.
I'll force her.
Yeah.
And cover, like where I can just put the diaper and keep it again.
True, true.
Wigs,
Okay,
because
wigs, like-
this is a baby wigs, like you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like you know, मैं like बेबी को सर्दी होता है, ऐसा like sneezing बहुत आ रहा है, then इसको आराम होने के लिए मैं ये यूज करती हूँ.
Okay, guys. So I want to tell you, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Honestly, मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये बेबी विक्स भी आते हैं. Honestly, I didn't know. और किसी ने मुझे बताया भी नहीं था कि बेबी विक्स आता है. So I'm glad कि you actually showed me. So guys, I'm gonna purchase this because कभी-कभी मुझे भी लगता है कि अलाना might need,
Like
you
अभी
know.
बैंगलोर वेदर भी ऐसा है
Exactly.
कि अभी तो लाइक चलो फेब तक ऐसे ही होता है.
True.
बच्चों को कभी भी ऐसे सर्दी आता है, वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन वो लोग बाहर भी खेलते रहता है ना.
Correct.
इसीलिए वो इसको बचाने के लिए मैं यूज करती हूँ.
Okay. All right.
और एक्स्ट्रा क्लिप,
Okay. That's baby good.
हाँ, स्पून
Okay.
एंड कैल्पॉल.
What is Cassie?
This is like for fever medicine.
Paracetamol. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. Nothing here.
Okay, so you carry this everywhere wherever you go.
Yeah,
In case.
because we can't trust, like if our fever temperature is a little bit also, then I'll just use this. I can feel, right, baby. See, if we are traveling somewhere for 4 hours, 4 hours, then we can't just directly go, and if we can't
Correct,
find anywhere,
correct.
then it is
No,
like
it
handy,
is,
right?
it is necessary. क्योंकि
Yeah.
why chance क्यों लेना, right?
हाँ.
Chance कहीं पे भी
वही
जाओ,
होता
chance
है
क्यों
ना?
लेना? So it's better कि
As I told you, like this is my handy bag.
I know.
Everywhere.
I
These
know,
all things I
know.
keep.
Yeah.
And inside of this, ये होता है कि इसका टॉय फेवरेट फर्स्ट टॉय यही है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
I think every child will have a first toy.
Yes.
Right? सबके पास होता है first toy.
इसका वाटर बॉटल.
And you know what? First toy ना, like I don't know about rest of the toys तो हम लोग को अभी
हाँ.
इधर, but first toy ना हम लोग को इतना सा close होता है
हाँ.
कि I have kept अलाना नहीं, लेकिन जो नाम है ना उसका अलाना,
हाँ.
वो ए निकाल दिया है अलाना ने. But still I want to keep it क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि maybe in future I can show her. Baby, you know,
Yes,
this is
yes,
your
this
first
is your
toy.
first
Yeah.
toy. And
Cute.
this was like suddenly we went some for shopping, and we ourselves have bought, like nobody have gifted. One her father have bought that she'll keep it on sleeve, but this one everywhere we carry.
Okay, nice.
And water bottle.
What? Oh, this is
As I told, like this is my handy bag. I even like मैं इसको like extra like
Yeah,
clothes भी
scarf,
लेती
yeah,
हूँ.
yeah.
हाँ.
feeding.
हाँ. और socks. वो बिल्कुल इसका स्टफ ही होता है.
Weather के बैंगलोर तो we can't say.
हाँ, we
anything.
can't trust actually. और wipes.
That's
ये तो
must again.
must. Diaper.
Okay.
And myself power bank I carry.
Power bank, yeah.
Yeah. That's it, like lotion.
Okay.
That's
That is it. All right. So we have picked into her bag, and I think जो भी कुछ उसने लिया है, I think that is must. Because हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं बोल सकते baby, and
लेकिन जाके मैं इसको like clean up करके फिर पूरा इसके अंदर रख देती हूँ.
correct. Fantastic.
ओके, तो पूर्विका आप हमें बताइए कि आफ्टर मॉम, राइट, आपकी लाइफ कैसे चेंज हो गई इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेंटली, फिजिकली, इमोशनली, आप लाइक कैसे चेंज हो गई? लाइक
See, mentally in the sense like अभी तो like कभी कोई बोल देता है कि हम support करता है, like mentally, emotionally, everything we support. Everybody tells, like all the parents, see you best, you have your baby, then we'll support you. Everybody tells that. Even for me, see in my case, like after my marriage, after like it took 3 years. It took 3 years for us. Like we were not in the stage like let us like देखो अभी मेरा husband like सिंगापुर में था, नहीं होता लाइक देखो कोई भी अभी बच्चे नहीं आ रहे
Correct.
बच्चे नहीं
They-
ये तो पूछते ही रहता है लाइक
They'll blab about it,
हाँ लाइक मैंने सोचा मैं कोई को जवाब नहीं दिया कोई को जवाब नहीं दिया लाइक अभी चलो ऐसे ही था लाइक 3 years के बाद लाइक आफ्टर 3 years लाइक माय कुशविका केम then I thought everybody gives full emotional support. Yeah, they just give physical support for 1 month. That's it. Like for a mom,
काम वाम करना या
हाँ तो देखो अभी मॉम को चाहिए देखो 1 year तक emotional like everything rest she needs to heal
Mentally,
yeah to heal her body everything she needs and देखो अभी बच्चे को संभालना ये तो बिल्कुल like क्या बोलता है इट इज़ वेरी टफ टास्क एंड इन माई केस या माई मॉम took care of me till 5 months and again we went to our in-laws house. Yeah, we came here to Bangalore again in 8th month.
Okay.
So I myself handled everything.
Okay.
Like once Kushvika got fever, nobody have supported us. Nobody, literally. We cried for ourselves.
Once you experience struggle, right?
Yeah.
Then you become strong.
Yeah,
You become
from then-
strong enough to handle everything.
Yes. Then I trusted just my daughter.
Okay.
Like she became fully dehydrated. Nothing she took. So
Yeah, we fought. I and my husband like literally fought, and I was screaming like anything because of that frustration.
I understand, like, the frustration level you might have reached because of the baby. क्योंकि जब भी बेबी को कुछ होता है तो मदर को भी होता है, right?
Night times literally when we give feedings, no? Maybe Alana, she's still 9 months, 10 months, no? She'll not be that much. Kushvi is already 1.5 months. And if she doesn't have food, night time she'll not even sleep, and she'll not leave you also to sleep. Literally, that time we feel so much frustrated, and we can't sleep in the day also. We have some work, and night no sleep. That time we feel that.
I know. So mothers, you can feel her pain. Not only her, mine also. I've gone through a lot, which I don't want to talk right now because बहुत सारी बातें करने को Purvika के साथ. So Purvika, let's go to the next question.
Yeah.
Okay. So Purvika, tell me, आपको कहीं भी अगर गेस्ट या आपके रिलेटिव्स, फैमिली या फ्रेंड्स कोई भी आपको घर में इनवाइट करती है, राइट? इनविटेशन, they give invitation. Do you use your baby excuse to
Yeah, of course.
Please tell us, like
especially family functions.
yeah.
Because we friends can understand, right? Like baby, if we take them, she will cry. If we take them from their mom, she will cry. But relative does not understand. It's not like they'll be harsh to the baby, but it's like they want to play with the baby. And baby will not be like, she will not be seeing them she'll be seeing them for the first time, right? It's like अभी देखो उन लोग के इसके साथ खेलना है, बेबी नहीं खेलना
नहीं
है।
करना चाहते हैं।
और क्राउडेड एरियाज में उसको
And
नहीं
क्या
जाना।
होता है कि जब आप सडनली नाउ सी वी स्टे इन द सोसाइटी, राइट? तो बेबी
Yeah.
को अभी पता है कि कौन कौन फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे आते हैं।
हाँ।
तो सडनली क्या होता है कि जब हम रिलेटिव या फैमिली के साथ, दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी वेलकमिंग।
Yeah.
वो लोग भी चाहते हैं कि
Baby के साथ खेलना है।
बट बेबी कैन नॉट एडजस्ट इन वन गो।
Yeah.
बेबी नीड्स टाइम।
इसको
I think-
एटलीस्ट 1 day तो चाहिए। लाइक देखो मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं ये लोग भी हमारा है, अभी इसके साथ भी खेल लो, ऐसे बोल दिए तो 1 day में एडजस्ट होता है। नहीं तो कभी नहीं। अरे देखो फैमिली फंक्शंस में इतना क्राउडेड होता है ना, उसको जाना ही नहीं चाहती हूँ मैं तो।
Correct. So that's true.
मैं तो पहली अब मेरा होता है कि मैं नहीं आऊंगा, पुष्पिका नहीं एडजस्ट होती है। और
No, absolutely. You can say no. Yourself, audience, you can absolutely say no. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी पहले पॉडकास्ट में भी which we will not understand मैंने पार्ट में किया था, वहाँ पे भी जो पहले की गेस्ट है उसने भी वही कहा। अगर आपको लगता है कि you are not comfortable with your baby, you can absolutely say no.
हाँ।
उसमें कोई भी बुरा बात नहीं,
हाँ।
क्योंकि as a mom हम लोग जानते हैं कि what they are going through. All right, Purvika. So do you enjoyed watching cartoons with your
Of
kids?
course. Of
Alright,
course.
तो दर्शकों को बताइए कि आप कौन सा कार्टून बेबी के साथ देखते हैं?
कार्टून्स तो लाइक अभी देखो बीन, छोटा बीन दिखाती हूँ इसको और हमारी तरफ लाइक अभी हमारी लाइक इसमें था ना लाइक टॉम एंड जेरी,
Okay.
बहुत दिखाती हूँ इसको बहुत।
Oh my God, Tom and Jerry तो हमारी generation में we have watched a lot. And I think वो Tom and Jerry कभी भी
बात
Old नहीं
करता
हो सकते।
हाँ वो बात नहीं करता है लेकिन वो एंजॉय करता है ना, बहुत एंजॉय।
Okay, Purvika, आप दर्शक को ये बताइए कि how many times you have reused wet wipes?
It's countable, it's countable.
Even I have recently started क्योंकि लगता है कि you know खत्म होते जा रहे हैं, खत्म होते
हाँ,
जा रहे
ना?
हैं। I started now. So do you use?
Yeah, same thing. Like what I do,
What and all you do?
I do like I'll clean her all her stroller. First I'll clean her mouth with a fresh one. Then वो वाइप लेके वो पूरा स्ट्रॉलर साफ करती हूँ। बाद में घर आने के बाद भी मैं वो यूज किया तो वो क्या करती हूँ पूरा टेबल चेयर पूरा साफ करती हूँ। वो तो सारे मास्क
So I think every mother does that, right? सब माँ ही करती है वो क्योंकि अगर आप ना चाहोगे तो हो जाता है।
वो तो
I
होता
actually,
है,
I want
क्यों वेस्ट करना है अभी।
मुझे लगता था कि you know maybe पहले अभी मुझे लगता था कि maybe it's not safe for a baby. But slowly even I'm like ये हो गया ना क्यों वेस्ट करना तो baby tables come. So Pushpika, tell us that what was the first solid food आपने Pushpika को दिया था?
First solid food, it is like completely Andhra tradition food. Yeah, it is completely like it will be sour in taste. That tamarind pickle we do, okay, which we store for.
में पानी आ रहा है tamarind. Okay.
वो क्या होता है ना, ईयर पूरा स्टोर करता है।
Okay.
वो ग्राइंड करके वो पेस्ट से फर्स्ट लाइक घी डाल के पूरा स्मैश करके राइस और वो मिक्स करके देता है ना, बच्चे बहुत ठीक से
And
खाते हैं।
did she enjoy it?
हाँ, first time she enjoyed and she wanted that. She was like literally opening the mouth.
Wow. Nice.
So she likes very
खट्टा,
much.
she likes
खट्टा आम भी करता है, खट्टा खट्टा।
हमारे में नेपाली में you called her ragi, right? So
Yeah.
हमारे में we call it कोदो को पिठो.
अच्छा।
So it's ragi only. So हमारे में first जब बच्चे होते हैं तो 6 महीने के बाद अगर कोई कोई तो 5 महीने भी करते हैं
हाँ।
तो we keep that.
हाँ।
But since I was here and I have to follow my husband culture also, तो मैंने क्या किया उसको first food I gave her banana first. क्योंकि
Okay.
बनाना भी हम लोग देते हैं तो बनाना दिया था।
हम लोग का
आप लोग का ये मुंडन जो होते हैं ना
हाँ।
वो कब होते हैं?
वो क्या होता है ना 3 years के टाइम पे। हाँ, वो भी क्या है ना, मेरा भाई आना है उसका भी।
ब्रदर
हाँ, मेरा ब्रदर आना है, लेकिन क्या होता है ना, उसका हाथ से पहला कट उसका हाथ से होना है। हाँ, मामा बोलते हैं ना, मामा जी। हाँ, मामा जी के हाथ से ही होना है सब कुछ। और मेरा भाई नहीं है तो कोई लाइक इसकी भाई लाइक इसकी मामा जैसा होता है को वो भी कर सकता है। मेरा भाई है इसलिए मेरा भाई आके करना है सब कुछ। हमारे इसमें ऐसा बिलीव करता है कि माँ के हाथ लाइक मामा के हाथ से कुछ भी होता है ना वो ठीक से चलता है बेबी। वो बोलते
हम लोग का लॉन्ग 6 months हम लोग मेरे साइड से क्या होता है हम लोग का अकीका बोलते हैं।
हैं। हाँ,
अकीका सो दैट हैपेंस इन 7 days.
ओके।
7 days. तो 7 days में उसका मुंडन करते हैं।
अच्छा।
या 7 days में तो मुझे भी पता लगा कि I'm also new to this culture, right?
Okay.
7 days में इसका मुंडन हो जाता है।
अच्छा।
And if it is a baby boy, 2 बकरी वो करते हैं। अच्छा, if it's a baby girl, 1 बकरी करते हैं।
अच्छा।
So it's like that. And the guests will come, like see her, all that.
It's really good.
Yeah, it was very nice because for me it was a new experience. There, like I'm with the new culture, right? So it was very interesting and very good to experience. that.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. And Alana को gift मिलते जा रहा था, gift दे रहा था. That was more nice. That was more nice. Right, Purvika. So do you want to say something to the audience in Andhra, to be आपके दर्शक, maybe you have friends, family, and short also आप हिंदी में भी बता सकते हैं मेरे ऑडियंस को।
न्यू मॉम को सपोर्ट तो हस्बैंड ही करना पड़ता है। देखो कोई भी नहीं आता है, लाइक हस्बैंड का जॉब है कि आप सपोर्ट करो प्लीज। और मॉम्स को बोलती हूँ किसी के भी डिपेंड नहीं होना है और ट्रस्ट योर बेबी, जस्ट ट्रस्ट योर बेबी, दैट्स इट, एंड she or he will
Trust the
make,
process, yeah.
yeah, they will make you happy. प्लीज या यू विल बिकम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, आप लोग फ्रस्ट्रेट हो सकता है, लेकिन फिर भी आपकी बेबी के ऊपर ट्रस्ट रखे तो वही आपको आंसर दे देता है। 2-3 दिन तो होता है, वो तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन होता है, मेरे साथ भी हुआ
सबके
था,
साथ होता है, सबके
मेरे साथ भी होता है। वो बिल्कुल खाना छोड़ देता है और सिर्फ फीडिंग के ऊपर डिपेंड होता है, सिर्फ फीडिंग के ऊपर, जब फ्रस्ट्रेट होता है। लेकिन फ्रस्ट्रेशन तो छोड़ दो बेबी को, तो बेबी तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता है। So just trust your baby, and I just leave all the people bullshit from the other year, from this year, and leave from here, and just be life तो peaceful होता है। वो तो पहले काम ये करना है कि इससे सुनना है और इससे छोड़ देना है, वो तो peaceful life देता है। Yeah. చూడు లైక్ ఇప్పుడైతే హస్బెండ్ సపోర్ట్ కావాలి ఖచ్చితంగా, హస్బెండే సపోర్ట్ ఇవ్వగలరు ఈ టైంలో. తన డెలివరీ అయ్యాక ఎమోషనల్ గా, ఫిజికల్ గా, అన్ని రకాలుగా బేబీకి సపోర్ట్ ఓన్లీ హస్బెండ్ మాత్రమే ప్రొవైడ్ చేయగలరు. మేబీ తన మదర్ అందరూ ఇవ్వగలరు ఎమోషనల్ సపోర్ట్, ఫిజికల్ గా ఇవ్వగలరు, బట్ హస్బెండ్ ఇచ్చినంత ఎవరు ఇవ్వగలరు, ఓన్లీ హస్బెండ్ మాత్రమే అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోగలరు.
Though I didn't understand, but I understood her inner saying कि वो बोल रहे कि प्लीज यू हस्बैंड आप पूरा सपोर्ट
तो బయట వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్పినా వినిపించుకోకండి. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ జడ్జ్ చేస్తారు, ఎందుకు నువ్వు ఇంత లావ్ అయ్యావు, ఎందుకు బేబీ చిన్నగా ఉంది, బేబీకి సరిగ్గా ఫుడ్ పెట్టట్లేదా. Give them some food, no, like Lays also they want to give, yeah, Lays, all chocolate.
So guys, yes, अगर आपको बच्चा को डॉक्टर ने मना किया कुछ खाने के लिए, तो अगर
हाँ ना,
मत कीजिए प्लीज. अगर उसको नमक, आई थिंक सभी डॉक्टर बोलते हैं कि 1 ईयर तक
नमक बिल्कुल नहीं,
नो सॉल्ट तो नहीं देना है.
लोग नहीं सुनता है ना, वही बात है, क्यों नहीं दे रही, आप लोग को दिया था, लेकिन हमारा जनरेशन,
क्योंकि क्या था, आई वांट टू स्ट्रेच दिस, क्योंकि क्या था, आप लोग की जो कंपैरिजन जो अभी होता है ना, पहले के जमाने में हम लोग ने ये किया था, पहले के क्योंकि पहले हम लोग भी पहले के जमाने के तो हम लोग के जमाने में सब कुछ ऑर्गेनिक था. हाँ, अभी नहीं है, अभी नहीं है कुछ भी. अभी दैट इज व्हाई इवन द डॉक्टर हैज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड और रेकमेंडेड और एडवाइज कि आप 1 साल तक, उन लोगों को भी पता है कि 1 साल तक आप ना शुगर दो ना सॉल्ट दो, एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च. अगर आप लोग कोई भी अगर आप देख रहे हो तो आप यू कैन डू अ रिसर्च, यू कैन आस्क योर डॉक्टर,
यस,
डॉक्टर विल टेल यू व्हाई, राइट. आई डोंट वांट टू गिव यू एनी इंफॉर्मेशन बिकॉज़ आप जो आपकी बेबी के डॉक्टर दिखाए, ही और शी इज द राइट पर्सन टू आस्क व्हाई, राइट. बट हमें जहाँ तक पता है कि यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू गिव दैट, एंड प्लीज अगर माँ कुछ मना कर रहा है, इट्स स्ट्रिक्टली नो.
यस, एंड ऐसा ना देखो, अभी मैं कभी ऐसे सोचती हूँ कि डॉक्टर का ना पूरा वीडियो बना के दिखा दूंगी. जो ये लोग ऐसा बोलता है ना, दे दो कुछ नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं होता है, सब लोग वीडियो देखा वही चीज सोचती हूँ.
बिकॉज एट टाइम्स क्या होता है कि नाउ वी स्टे इन दिस सोसाइटी एंड हम लोग को नॉलेज शेयर होता है. व्हेन आई मीट यू, क्या हो रहा है बेबी का, क्या हो रहा है. सो योर बेबी इज लिटिल ओल्डर देन माइन, राइट. So I know कि your baby has what milestone she has gone.
Yes.
तो थोड़ा आइडिया भी मिलता है ना. मेरा बच्चे को देख के अगर कोई पूछ रहा है तो ये ऐसा होता है. हाँ ना. Now for a mom who is staying with a baby alone, ना उसके पास कोई आजू बाजू बच्चा है, उसको कोई पता नहीं है, उसको आके suddenly it gives some stress, right? आप बोलोगे कि ये नहीं करना है, that mother will go literally in a depression.
Yes.
And I think that's not healthy.
Yes.
Now I want to tell this. I think that's not healthy. अगर आप किसी को आके बोल रहे हो कि यू नो लाइक ये करो वो करो ये करो वो करो,
yes,
and mother will go into a
complete depression.
They go to postpartum depression, which I don't want to talk. Okay, I'm sure you also have not, even I have not gone through, but I don't want any other mothers also to go through that. And I want to let the audience know कि होते हैं postpartum depression भी होते हैं. Please don't do that. If mother is saying no, it's strictly no. Right. So Purvika, tell us, do you make your baby daily scheduled or it's just a freestyle?
It's a freestyle.
Okay.
because I keep like for breakfast, yeah, I keep it in mind, like while sleeping night, I just keep it in mind. Okay, today I'm going to make this. If suppose, just take an example, if I'm going to make poha. Pushpi doesn't take poha. I have to think in optional foods which she eats. I just keep it. It's like freestyle, yeah.
Right? अगर आपको
No
लगता है कि,
schedule.
okay, me also no.
Yeah, no, I think free schedules, and 40% mothers there are who follow schedule.
Okay. Yeah, no, it's good to maintain a diet chart or whatever you want,
Yeah.
daily chart. But I think वो हमारे बस में नहीं, मेरे स्पेशली
मेरे भी नहीं है.
मैं रात के ब्रेकफास्ट या आई ट्राई टू गिव हर हेल्दी एज मच एज
Yeah.
मैं रात को सोच के रखती हूँ कि उसके लिए ये बनाना है.
हाँ.
देन 12 बजे को जो भी राइस बनता है उसके साथ करी बना देती हूँ.
हाँ.
देन नाइट को यस आई ट्राई टू गिव हर लिटिल लाइक अगेन कार्ब्स वो सब मिक्स
Yeah.
करती हूँ. बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि दैट आई हैव टू मेक हर बेबी चार्ट.
Yes.
इसी हिसाब से चलना है आई थिंक.
It's completely, yeah.
Alright. So guys, आप लोग भी अगर करते हो तो प्लीज कमेंट्स में लिखिएगा कि आप लोग क्या क्या करते हो. हम लोग को भी देखना है.
हम लोग को.
तो आप हमें ये बताइए कि जब खुशबू का बड़ी होगी तो what will be her first dish जो कि आंध्रा होगी that you would like to prepare for her and she will taste it and feel yummy.
Andhra style, it's ragi ball.
By the way, I've tasted Andhra food, okay? I liked it. It's very
Yeah.
good. क्योंकि हम लोग ना जहाँ से आए हैं, we are from north, you know, right?
Yeah.
So जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते हैं, right, north east side, so we eat spicy.
Yeah.
तो हम लोग को खट्टा टेस्ट वो
हाँ,
बहुत मजा लगता है.
बहुत मजा लगता है.
तो जब मैंने आंध्रा का खाना टेस्ट किया, right, when I was in college also, मेरी neighbor थी, तो she was also from Andhra. If I'm not wrong, Tirupati also comes that way,
Yes.
right? Yeah. So I remember. So she used to prepare curry, she used to give me, and I had. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा because it was tangy, spicy.
Yes.
And I was like, okay, आप लोग भी spicy खाते हैं? मैंने कहा हम लोग खाते हैं. हम लोग खाते हैं spicy.
सिर्फ बैंगलोर साइड नहीं खाता है, लाइक मीठा मीठा ना, लाइक अभी देखो चाट्स भी थोड़ा मीठा मिलाता है, हमारे से
So I
नहीं
liked
मिलाते.
it. Yeah. So what do you like to prepare for Pushpika?
It's ragi ball and countryside
I
chicken.
love ragi ball.
Ragi ball and countryside chicken. We get like just fresh.
हमारे में देसी चिकन बोलते हैं.
हाँ. It tastes really. I'm not a fan of chicken.
Okay.
Really, but I like the gravy mixed with the ragi ball.
कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है ना खाने में have you seen this fufu African का type like that only, right? Yeah.
It's really yum actually.
Yeah, I like it. मैंने भी खाया है ragi ball. I also I've eaten with ragi ball and I think mutton curry or something.
It tastes really good. It tastes really good.
It was very yummy. Guys.
First, I was not believing actually.
All right, Purvika, thank you so much for all the questions you have answered. Okay, और सब कुछ आपके एक्सपीरियंस बताने के लिए कि क्या क्या आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया है as a new mom, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing that, and I'm sure audience will love it. Audience will know कि ये सब
Hopefully.
होता है, hopefully. And I'm sure जितनी भी mothers है वो लोग भी सोच रहे होंगे
हाँ.
क्योंकि ये इंटरव्यू करने का एक दरिया ये है कि ताकि जो न्यू मदर्स है ना
हाँ.
उन लोग को भी लगे कि okay there are other people also.
Yeah, only myself experiencing this or others also experiencing.
exactly.
ये thought तो सबको आता है.
या तो दूसरों को भी लगे कि अरे मेरे अलावा और कोई दोस्तों की है
हाँ.
जहाँ पे जा रहे हैं so
हाँ.
it's fine.
It's fine,
So normally
completely
it-
fine.
Yeah.
People talk a lot actually. Whatever you do, there is a flaws. Like they will search for the flaws.
Yeah, we will look for that.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you once again. So let's play a small rapid fire round.
Okay.
Okay. So जब भी बेबी कुछ करते हैं, right? Whenever she becomes fussy or cranky, first thing you say to her is Ayo Rama or Hey Bhagwan.
Arre Rama.
Ayo Rama. Okay, I knew this. Ayo Rama. Okay. All right. So idli or momo. Be careful, you are in my channel. Okay?
Hey, always I used to give idli, but now she's telling momo. Once she tasted.
So Alana को तो पता नहीं what is momo. Idli I give her because it's healthy. But momo I might give her after 1
Hey,
year.
momo is also like when we steam it is healthy only.
Yeah, but
है ना?
prefer नहीं करूँगा इस because वहाँ पे ना अजीनामोटो डालते हैं. Tasting powder.
अच्छा, oh.
So you try to make it at home. और
Yeah.
उसमें रागी का बना दो, जो फ्लो जो होती है, डॉ जो होती है, रागी फ्लो, और अदरवाइज you can put a आटा.
Okay.
Who sleeps first? Kushvika or Kushvika ka mama?
Kushvika, पहले Kushvika, then mama.
Kushvika, no, then only mama. Yeah, same here, same here. First Alana, then mama. Now, tell us, what is your go-to dialogue when your baby is not eating food? अभी होते हैं ना कभी कभी वो नहीं खाते. Mine would be like, you know, all done. Like if she's not eating all done, when I say all done, right? So like, okay, खाना खत्म होने वाला है, and then she's like, okay, then she takes last bite or first bite. Yeah. What is your go-to dialogue?
Kushvi, Papa Mudda.
Kushvi,
Papa Mudda. Last.
Kushvi, Papa Buddha.
Means it is the last bite of your papa's.
Okay, nice. And how many photos do you take in a day?
Not mine exactly. Like Kushvi's, I'll take at least 3 or 4. At least it will be there. Not exactly the photo. It will be a video.
Okay. So mine, I'm sorry, not 3 to 4. Mine will be like I think 100 plus in a day.
Per day?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'll be taking her pictures everywhere, anywhere, wherever I find my husband will be like, okay, yeah, done. And I'm like, no, this is the moment I want to capture. Even yesterday, do you remember you came to my house and
Yeah.
she did buy? I regretted a lot. I was like, shit, I had a phone on my hand, you know, I could have
Oh my
captured
God.
this thing. Because that was the first buy she did.
Yeah.
And she did like this and I was shocked. I was like, wow. And I
That moment you should have captured
yeah,
a video.
I know. And I called my husband and I said like, baby, she literally did buy. And then he's like, show me. So मैं बाहर गई. And then I said, but baby, buy. Again, she did like this. It was so
Oh.
cute. I think जब वो लोग देखेंगे, right? It's gonna be fun for them.
Yes.
Like, because हमारे time पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं
ऐसा
हुआ
नहीं
था,
था.
right?
सिर्फ फोटोज खींचना है तो रेडी कर लो, फोटोज पे चलो ऐसा था.
So I think we are done with the rapid fire round. Now, Rivika, what is your favorite Telugu movie?
Telugu movie, it's always darling.
Darling, okay, I'm gonna watch that. It's nice.
Yeah, it's Prabhas.
Oh, I like that. He's the tall one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You don't know, actually before marriage, when it's ours is an arranged marriage. After our engagement, I told my husband, I have accepted your proposal because you're tall.
Oh, no, he's tall. You both are tall, actually.
Yeah, I told him, actually since I'm tall, I wanted a tall husband, and I told it has to be about 6. I
Wow.
told him,
Yeah.
I have married you since you're 6'2". That's it.
Okay, no, actually both of them are very tall guys. So उसका husband देखना चाहिए. Yeah, like she's, I think what's her height?
My height is 5'7".
5'7" and I think he's
6'2".
6'2". Wow. Both of them रबने बना दी. It's like that, right?
Thank you.
All right, so, Purvika, thank you so much for joining in today. Okay, I am very glad that we did this today. And
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me
You're
as a
welcome. You're welcome. So you know when you meet friends or when you meet a new mom, आप लोग को कुछ चीजें share
हाँ.
होती हैं, and I think that is very very useful, right?
It is actually useful, you know,
Yeah.
like people will be there.
Useful, helpful.
Yeah. People will be there. Why we should share this? No, that is not completely right with the moms. Yeah, you have to
That's
give
not
suggestions
good,
to moms, and we have to accept the suggestions also. Actually,
I think that is like you kind of, you know, you both moms are like in a one team,
true.
right? No one team to grow the tiny human.
Ah.
All right, Purvika, I think we spoke a lot. All right, thank you so much once again. So before I let you go, Purvika, do you want to say something to Kushvika?
Yeah, Kushvi, I'm always there as your mom, as your best friend. I'm always there for you to anything, and I'm your go-to place for everything. I'm there for you.
So sweet. Yeah, Kushvika, your mom is always there for you. Feel free to reach out to your mom at any
Anything.
cost. Okay.
Anything.
Yeah, this goes to Alana also. Like feel free. Like we are a kind of mom actually generation.
We understand.
We want to become everything. Your dad, your mom, your friend, everybody, right? So feel free to reach out to your moms and share everything to her. All right, Purvika, thank you so much. Please tell your husband, tell your family, thank you so much for doing this, because without them, I think it's not
Yes,
possible.
it's
right?
impossible actually.
Yeah, it's not possible.
For me, though, without my husband, it is impossible today to come here.
That's why it's very very you know, important to give this information or a
True.
message, right? Without husband support or family support, I
We
don't
can't.
think we will be doing this.
Yes, we
right?
can't.
Yeah, we will be doing this. All right. Once again, thank you so much for joining me for today's interview and sharing with us your experience about motherhood, right? What struggle you have gone through. Thank you so much for that. And maybe in future I might call you again for a new interview or something. So be ready for that.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Manita. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright guys, so we'll end this video here. अगर आपको ये वीडियो में कुछ मैसेज और कुछ important चीज कुछ लगी होगी तो please do not forget to like,
Share and subscribe.
Yes, and please next episode के लिए ready रहेगा क्योंकि वो भी interesting होने वाले हैं. So guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you for Vika for doing this. Alright, bye guys.
Bye.